Hi, my name is Ben from Connect Solutions. In this short video, you'll learn how to upload a quiz. The first step is to create a new folder. You can name this folder anything you like that'll help you to remember what the quiz is about. The next step is to add the Excel file questions as well as the Excel file quiz. After you have both of those files in your folder, you'll need to add any video or images that are going to be a part of your quiz. For instance, this is going to be part of my quiz, and so is this. After you have those items in here, you should be ready to upload your quiz. But first, let me show you how to format the Excel docs. This first one, quiz.xlsx, simply contains the title of the quiz and some other basic information. This first column, game type, you don't need to change. You can always leave it like it is. This next column is simply the title of your quiz, how you want it to show up on the list of quizzes on the app. Description is what people are going to see. They'll give them an idea of what they're going to learn if they click into your quiz. Logo is the file name for the picture that you want to be right on the title page of your quiz. And then repeat questions refers to if you want your quiz to be playable more than one time. So if you want the quiz to be played, say 10 times, then you write 10 in here. If only once, then put a 1 in here. It depends up to you how many you put there. This other Excel doc that I'll show you is the questions. This is the doc that contains all of the questions and the files that are going to go along with the questions. It's not as difficult as it may look at first. On the far left, you have the item type. So every quiz is going to start with a new level. So new_lot refers to a new level. So then you write what you want to appear at the beginning of the level, and that's all you need for that row. After that is generally followed by an item. It could be a video file, a URL from YouTube. It could also be a image or PDF, anything you want that's going to give content that'll be followed by the questions. So item attachment is what goes there. There's a drop down too to be able to see what your options are. Write in then a little description of your content, and then on the far right in the file column is where you're going to either put the URL for the YouTube video, or also if you have a video or a PDF file, just put the file name right there. Then you're going to have your first question. There's two different types of questions on Connect. There are questions with only one answer, and that's this item_40 point. You can see it in the drop down, so you never have to memorize that. The other type of question is the second one. It means that there are multiple correct answers. So this particular question only has one correct answer. So I write the answer here and that it's correct answer, indicated by true. And then these other are the false questions, and they all are indicated by false in the column that follows. At the end here, we have an explanation. That is what's going to pop up if people get the question wrong. Gives them a correct answer generally. And then these last three columns, duration is how many seconds they have to play the game. Points is how many points they'll receive. And bonus is if there's bonus points. So this other type of question that has multiple correct answers, you just write the question in here like normal. But then the only difference is with the answers is that if there is multiple true answers, then you simply put true in the column that follows the question or the answer. So in this case, I had 1, 2, 3 correct answers, and this last one was false. Again, if you have any photos that go along with the questions, you're going to put them in the file column as well, in the row with your question. If you want to do a second level, then you will put in new lot again, and this would then start a second level. And in most cases, you're going to follow that by some sort of video or learning content, and then you just fill it out the same way. You can have as many questions as you want in a level. We usually recommend 4 or 5, but it's totally up to you. After you have both of these documents in good shape, and you've already added to the folder any of the files that you used in your quiz, you should be set to upload the quiz. There's another video that you can find on how to actually upload it and make sure it's launched properly in Connect. That's the first part. If you have any questions, reach out to your customer success manager. We'd be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for using Connect and have a great day.